George? Georgie, can you tell me what an elephant noise makes? Good. Can you show me what a cat makes? Good boy. What about a doggy? Pardon? Good boy. What about a lion? Good boy. What about a pig? Oink oink. Show me an elephant again. You're a good elephant. What about horsey? Good boy. What about a cow? Moo. Good boy. What's a doggy again? That's my favourite doggy. Last one. What about a sheep? Oh, are you a sheep?
No.
And let's finish. Elephant, please. Elephant. Do you want okay, we've had enough. Say bye. Cheese. You saying cheese? Say sausages. Sausages. Good boy. Say cheese. And one thing, elephant. Yeah, you have to have the trunk cut, don't you? And what about doggy? Okay, bye-bye.